Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Tongate. This is the Tongate Mech case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is a dual layer military grade protection drop case with a lot of different features such as a built-in kickstand and a sliding cover for your camera. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at the Tongate Mech case for the S23 Ultra. A little bit larger of a box than you would normally see on a case. And the reason being is because this comes with a full belt clip as well. So if you work in a harsher industry like HVAC or construction or automotive or something like that, and you want to wear this on your belt, you're going to be able to do this with this case. They do give you some literature here so you can check it out, an instruction card on how to install it. It is a two-part case, which I'll go over. There's a top portion that clips over the sides of your phone, and then it will be inserted into the bottom portion of the case to make it super protective. So we'll go into that in just a few moments, but hold on to this. You also get a free little note from Tongate saying thank you for buying their product. So let's take a look at the case itself. Now, looking at the case at first glance, you're going to notice that you do have a belt clip, which is really nice if, again, you're an active person or working and you need to clip this to your belt. You do get a pull-out kickstand here and, of course, that sliding camera cover that also locks into place in two different positions. So we'll separate this. Looking at the belt clip here, pretty nice belt clip. Does rotate 360 degrees, so you can wear it in any orientation that you would like to. And it's got a nice strong clip on it, so this shouldn't be a problem. It is made out of a hard plastic, so keep that in mind, but it is very sturdy and durable. They have a little plate there that says Tongate, and that'll protect your screen because your screen will kind of rest up against that. I'll explain that a little bit later in the review here of why that's important. Now, this is a two-part case, and you can see that you've got that military drop protection on the inside there, and the outside is going to be this plastic portion that we're going to put over the phone. The front part of the phone will be covered with this, and this will add your lip protection for the top, bottom, and for the sides. So they've thought of that in case you're somebody that will put your phone on its face. You don't want to scratch the screen, so you've got that there. Now, the bottom portion here is, a military grade. It's very sturdy, hard plastic there. You do get your cutouts at the bottom. You do get button covers, which I kind of like because they're the most responsive. So these should be no exception. And then on the top, you're going to get a cutout for your secondary microphone. And then, of course, that sliding and locking cover there to protect your cameras. They do lock into place. They're not going to flop around on you or anything like that. Now, what I really like about the kickstand here is that you can lock it into place. And when you do, you notice that they've put it low enough that we can use this in portrait and or landscape mode. So that is pretty cool. I like how it locks into place in both orientations for you. So you're not going to have to worry about that flopping around either. So let's get this together here so you can see the entire case put together. Now, I don't get my official unit until February 17th, but I do have a dummy unit here, so we can use that for installation. You're going to want to first place this portion over the sides of your phone, and then of course you're going to have lip protection on the sides, as you can see, and to the top and bottom. And then we're going to want to put it into the lower part of the case for maximum protection. It will clip into place and then kind of slide over the first portion here, and we'll get it all situated. Now you do have to go around and make sure that you're clipped in all the way, but once you are, you're going to have pretty darn good protection on this phone with the Mech case, especially once you close and lock this camera cover here. You can notice that you are set up and ready to go. Now they offer this case in a couple different colors. You can get the standard black here, you can get green, you can get blue, and you can get kind of like a rose color as well. So you have a bunch of different options. So overall, just really nice to have the protection, but also the ability to use this kickstand in portrait and landscape also adds to this case, of course, and then of course the sliding cover as well. Everything locks into place really well on the Mech case here, and of course you have the ability to of course add this to your belt as well. And once you do add this to the belt clip, you basically get 360-degree protection for the S23 Ultra. Closing down the sliding camera door, I am now 360-degree protected here. So overall, this, if you're looking for a case that is going to protect all sides while using the belt clip, you pretty much are covered in every angle with the Tongate Mech case. Now this case is made out of hard plastic and TPU, and it's well built. I like, again, the locking mechanism for the sliding camera cover, and of course the dual purpose locking mechanism for the kickstand as well, to be able to view this in portrait and landscape. So overall, Tongate did a great job on this. If you're looking for 360-degree protection for your S23 Ultra, you may want to check this one out. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.